Welcome to Phase 3 of the Overlook. As I stand upon this hilltop, I am looking at million-dollar views. And like I said, this is Phase 3 of the Overlook here in Stewart's Draft. One lot has already been taken, as I can see. Others are marked off and waiting for you to come by and pick one. A number of homes have already been built here on the lower lots before Phase 3 was opened, and some of these are already occupied and more have already been sold and waiting for completion. So when you get an opportunity, you need to make a drive out to Stewart's Draft, and on White Hill Road, just off White Hill Road, you'll see the Overlook. There are 7 different models to choose from, and as a matter of fact, there's a model open almost 7 days a week, and there's usually someone there to answer any questions you might have about selections and model types. So don't hesitate. Come by and pick out your million-dollar view today, and have a great day. Bye-bye.